Many people think mattress damage happens after years, but sometimes damage happens before you even sleep on it. During transport, one wrong move and the structure is already affected. You just bought a mattress, excited, you want to take it home quickly. So you fold it into your car, tie it on top of a vehicle, put it on a bike, drag it inside the house. Everything seems fine. But weeks later, you notice it's not as comfortable. It starts sinking. Support feels uneven. That damage didn't happen later. It happened during transport. A mattress is built with support layers, foam structure, alignment design. When you bend or mishandle it, you affect shape, balance, durability. And once that structure is compromised, sleep quality drops. Common mistakes people make. 1. Folding or forcing it into small spaces. Trying to squeeze a mattress into a small car can break internal structure, damage foam layers, and affect support permanently. Not all mattresses are foldable. 2. Dragging it on the floor. Dragging leads to torn fabric, dirt entering the material, faster wear and tear. 3. Exposing it to rain or sun. Rain can soak the foam, cause smell and mold. Excess sun can weaken materials and reduce lifespan. 4. Stacking heavy items on it. Putting weight on top during transport compresses the foam and distorts shape. Your mattress is meant to support you, not to carry load. How to transport your mattress properly. 1. Keep it flat or well supported. Best options are flat position, upright without bending. Avoid twisting or folding. 2. Use a protective cover. Wrap it with nylon or plastic cover. This protects from water and damage. 3. Use the right vehicle. Use pickup, delivery van, or a spacious vehicle so the mattress fits naturally. 4. Lift, don't drag always. Carry with at least 2 people. Hold from both ends and move gently. 5. Secure it properly. If placing on top of a vehicle, tie firmly. Avoid bending and cover it well. The reality is 2 people can buy the same mattress but get different results. Why? Handling, transport, and care. That's the difference. Instead of struggling with transport, you can simply choose brands that handle this professionally. One reliable option in Nigeria is Winco Foam Industries Limited, with structured manufacturers like Winco. Delivery is handled properly. Mattresses are transported safely. You avoid accidental damage. Beyond transport, choosing the right mattress also matters. For example, if you need strong support, consider orthopedic options. If you want balanced comfort, choose medium firm foam options. If you prefer bounce, consider spring-based options. This way, you're not just protecting your mattress, you're choosing correctly from the start. With options like the Winco 14-night sleep trial, you don't rely on guesswork. You test it at home and let your body decide. Buying a mattress is an investment. Transporting it carelessly, it is like damaging your investment before using it. Handle it properly. Protect its structure, or better still, let professionals handle it for you. Because when your mattress stays in good condition, your sleep stays consistent, and good sleep is something you should never compromise. If you want to explore reliable, well-structured mattress options, you can visit www.wincofoam.com. Like, follow, and share this content for more educational posts. Until next time, sleep well, live better.